How can I phone my insurance company today and get my premium reduced ridiculously? Stay tuned and I'll tell you more. Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele. Thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't yet, please click subscribe, and I hope you will like these informative videos about the topic of insurance. So today's video is all about how do I get my insurer to lower my premium today. I'll tell you why. The main aspect of this is something called a no claims bonus, or NCB. So NCB follows you over the years that you are covered, and so your NCB will be at 0 when you start with your insurer. And then year 1 without a claim, your NCB now is at 1. Year 2, your NCB is now at 2. And so it goes and goes and goes. And the higher your NCB, the greater client you are to any insurer. So what that means is that today, if you have had insurance for longer than a year, or you've had it for longer than 2 years, 3 years, and you haven't had a claim in those past 3 or 4 years, you can call your insurer today and say, hello guys, please revisit my policy. Can I speak to someone in client services or in the retentions department or in the policy review department to say, please relook my policy. I'm actually a good client. I've paid all my premiums. So in terms of everything with my policy, it's up to date. Please relook my premium. I guarantee you, based on your NCB, they should be able to give you a reduced premium. This is also why, if you don't do this with your insurer and you get a quote with another insurer and you find that they can drop your premiums by 300 rands or ridiculous amounts, and you think my insurance company has been robbing me this whole time. They haven't been robbing you. All this new insurer did was take your NCB. They ask you, how long have you been insured? And in the last 3 years, have you submitted a claim or not? If you answered 5 years and then in the last 3 years you haven't had a claim, your NCB is wonderful and they calculate it automatically and they give you your deserved premium. And that is the only reason also why when you call your insurer to cancel, you now find that they say, oh no, we've relooked your policy and we can offer you the same premium. It's NCB, guys. It's honestly your NCB. And then you ask yourself, then why does my insurer not phone me? And tell me every year, why do they instead increase my premium? Well, obviously they increase it for inflation to make sure that you've got adequate cover. But I don't know the full answer to this. Honestly speaking, I don't. And I don't work for an insurer, and I don't affiliate with myself with any insurer. I love them all, and I talk to them on any day, but I don't know why they don't do this, but they should. But what I've learned in dealing with my policies, dealing with my family's policies, is when you get your renewal letter every year to say your insurance is going to be now so much more per month, and this is so much that we've increased your all risk, your contents, your buildings. When I get that letter with a new inflated premium, I call my insurer to say, hi guys, listen, I have not claimed. Please can you review my policy? And generally whenever I come out of that call, my premium will reasonably stay the same. In instances where I did submit a claim for a car or something, then I'll understand the inflated premium. I may call to try my luck because we all have to try, but I do understand in those instances that, well, listen, you've had a claim in the past year, and so we need to learn to trust you again. But if you've had no claim whatsoever, literally today, you can phone your insurer and say, please look at my policy. Please tell me what you can do for me because I'm a good client, and they will be able to assist you. So I hope that this video has helped you. I hope that you will today phone your insurer and you will today demand that they relook your policy, and you'll find that, hey, you actually can score. Do not reduce your cover in any way. They must discuss that with you. We're just looking only at premium at the moment. That is the long and short of it. I hope you do get a reduction in premium, and if you're able to, please come back to this video, comment and say, Ayanda, I actually called them and it worked. Please do that, and yes, I will see you in the next video, and I hope that you will subscribe and tell your cousins and your friends and your dogs and your next door neighbors to come and subscribe to the Insurance Guru. Thank you and have a good day.